Hi, welcome to You Old and Metro. My name is Vincent and welcome to another video, and this is an unboxing of the Dyson V8 Absolute Pro. Now this is currently on offer on the Dyson website. It's a Black Friday deal for, I believe, for most of the week. It may extend it, there's no timeline, it's not stuff last month. They have a V7 motor head extra and Absolute Pro, both currently on offer. This retails for $299 in the UK, and the motor head extra is $199 at the moment. Now, one thing you need to get in your head that the Absolute and Absolute Pro actually are not different at all, save for this black shaft and the colorway that's basically part of the whole system. Other than that, all accessories are actually the same. I did a bit of research and I found out Absolute and Absolute Pro are actually exactly the same. So, regardless of whether you buy it, it doesn't really matter basically if it's the Absolute version. But I think the Absolute Pro is exclusive to Dyson themselves. But I'm not 100% sure, but don't quote me on that. This is just going to be a quick unboxing, and then I'll give my views later on how well it cleans. And now obviously Dyson's latest V10 and V11s have since been out, but if you're on a slight budget, because obviously the V10 and the V11 are probably twice the price of this at the moment, you probably save yourself a deal, because this has still got a pretty decent run time and the suction power is still pretty good as well. So, opening the box, you get welcome to your new Dyson machine. Little paperwork, including the story of Dyson, operating manuals, and probably some sort of stuff to send off for your warranty, so that's great. Inside the box you get, this is the top soft tool brush bar, the combi nozzle, which includes a soft brush head, so this would be great for cleaning the car, for example. This is the battery dock, the charging dock, so you mount this on the wall and then you plug the charging adapter in, and it literally should do all the stuff for you. You obviously get the charger. This is a 3-pin earth charger, obviously it depends on where you are. This is the UK obviously. You then obviously get the shaft. Now obviously this comes in black, and Absolute comes in what is cobalt or yellow. It's like an orange yellow type thing, but again in metallic, fairly robust. And then take away that. You then also get, flipping this up, you get the motor head tool, the mini motor head tool. This is good for stairs and furniture. As you see, it's got a low profile, it's smaller, but it does have an inbuilt motor, which is really helpful. Help cleaning. And then you then get two bigger tools. So this one's the soft brush roller. Yes, this is the one which is, it's got the soft for hard floors. As you see, I do have a hard floor, so this will be great. And then you get the combination one. This one's what it should be. Yep. Let's look this up. So with one hand, unfortunately, I'm doing this. There you go. This is the combination tool. So it includes, as you can tell, it's got the hard and softer bristles. So this will be standard for carpets, etc. It is motorized, it should do pretty well. If I open the soft brush tool, if you have like mainly a carpeted house, I should point out, this is probably useless. You should try and get the animal instead, as that does better on. It's basically just a motor head, standard motorized combination brush head, whereas this soft thing is really just for hard floors. It is slightly different profile as it sits slightly, it's got two soft rollers, as you can tell. And last but not least, we obviously have the main unit itself, which you can see is polybagged. Oh, it is a sealed battery inside, so you can't remove the battery, but I believe you can replace them. Obviously, there's obviously different settings. You get max suction and then high end suction. And then the whole good thing about the V8 of the series is that they implemented basically this thing at the top, so you can pull out and push the filter in to help empty it without having to touch the bottom at all. And that's it. So that's an unboxing of the V8 Absolute Pro. Thanks for watching. I'll give you my thoughts in a later video, see how it runs. I'm literally going to charge this up right now, and then through the next weekend, literally just give it a run for its money if I can, and see how it works. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching, and see you in another video.